If your iPad feels confusing, cluttered, or harder to use than you expected, you're not doing anything wrong. In this video, I'll show you a few simple changes that make your iPad feel calmer, easier, and much more enjoyable to use even if you're a complete beginner. One of the biggest reasons iPads feel stressful is constant notifications. Let's quickly reduce these so your iPad only alerts you when it actually matters. In the Settings menu, tap Notifications. This will bring a detailed menu up. Scroll down to the notification style. This lists each app that sends a notification to your iPad. Select the app you want to amend notifications for. Here, you can turn the notifications for messages on or off using the toggle. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can customize notifications for each app. Let's look at notifications for another app. Here we have YouTube. Again, toggle at the top turns notifications on or off for YouTube. The Alert section gives you 3 options: Lock Screen, Notification Center, or Banner. Select which you prefer for notifications for each app. This will reduce the amount of notifications you receive on your iPad. You can change this in the settings anytime. If your home screen feels messy, your brain has to work harder. You don't need to organize everything perfectly, just removing visual noise makes a big difference. Here, I organize my iPad and home screen by creating folders. I keep my main apps on the first 2 pages, and I then create folders for other apps used less often. This is a great way to organize your home screen and iPad so it feels less messy and makes it easier to navigate. The Control Center is meant to make things easier, but only if you know what's there. Let's quickly remove what you don't need and keep only the useful controls. To remove or add to the Control Center, tap the plus icon at the top left. You can add and remove apps and features here. Tap the minus to remove an icon from your Control Center. This removes the app. It doesn't delete it. To add an app or function, tap the plus sign here where it says Add a Control. You can then add a range of different apps, functions, and controls from this menu, and it will be saved into your Control Center, making it easier to find, select, and use on your iPad. If you want me to go through this in more detail, let me know in the comments. This final setting is small, but it makes the iPad much more comfortable to use, especially for longer sessions. In the Settings menu, tap Display and Brightness. Then change the text size to suit what is best for you. If your iPad already feels easier to use, that's the goal of this channel. I post simple, beginner-friendly iPad tutorials every week, so feel free to subscribe if that sounds useful. If your